Our dear alumni and friends of the college, I greet you as the principal of the American College. My name, Aker Jayapandian, 84 Physics 13, an alumnus of our beloved institution. We are all connected, but we want all of us to reconnect again as the alumni of the American College. We are spread throughout the world, but we invite you as alumni of the American College to reconnect with us as we plan to resume the American College Alumni Association. And we are trying to reconnect with each and every one of you as we have the new alumni director, Dr. Sagi May Nonathan, the 1995 batch of English major, who is trying his best to reconnect with all our alumni throughout the world, to bring all of us together to the college. And now we have a vice principal, Dr. Samuel Anbuselvan, who belongs to the 1990 batch of commerce, and Dr. Beulah Ruby Kamalam of the 1995 PG Physics batch. As all of us happen to be alumni of the American College, we want to reconnect with all of you. So the mantra is come back to your alma mater, come back to the American College and give back as much as you can in terms of lectures, in terms of participation, in terms of programs, whatever you like. But coming to college, I believe you would just love it. Therefore, we request each and every one of you to come back to the college and let's all together resume the American College Alumni Association and make it one of the best alumni associations in the whole of India. Welcome back to your alma mater. Thank you.